This 2023 Grand Design Reflection 367 BHS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. This new Grand Design is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features 4 slideouts, a river rock interior, sleeps 8, smoke detector, Colorado detector, water heater, awning, oven, skylight, slideout, leveling jacks, stove-top burner, air conditioning, and 74 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-bunk, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Reflection 367 BHS is 12,552 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV, visit RVUSA.com.